Hey everyone, and welcome back to Animalshortsdaily. Today we're on a journey south to the heart of Florida, the Everglades. This vast wetland is a tapestry of life, teeming with alligators, crocodiles, and countless wonders. But a silent threat lurks beneath the surface, the invasive Everglades anaconda. Buckle up because we're diving deep to understand this escalating problem. The Everglades is a sprawling wetland, a mosaic of freshwater marshes, sawgrass prairies, and mangrove forests stretching across millions of acres. This diverse wetland provides critical habitat for an astonishing array of species. Over 360 species of birds call the Everglades home, from majestic wading birds like roseate spoonbills to elusive rails flitting through the sawgrass. The watery haven is teeming with over 300 species of fish, including the prehistoric-looking alligator gar and the lightning-fast tarpon. Countless reptiles and amphibians thrive here, with the iconic alligator basking on sun-drenched logs and the chorus of frogs filling the air at night. Even iconic mammals like the elusive Florida panther find refuge in the dense hammocks, islands of hardwood trees scattered throughout the Everglades. Paradise under siege. This intricate tapestry of life in the Everglades is a delicate balance, nurtured by a unique hydrology system. Slow-moving freshwater from inland slowly makes its way south, nourishing the ecosystem and eventually reaching the Florida Bay. However, this delicate balance is under siege by a silent threat: the invasive Everglades anaconda. The invasive anaconda problem. How did these apex predators end up in Florida? The answer isn't entirely clear. Some believe they might be escaped pets released into the wild. Others speculate that breeding facilities may have lost some individuals during Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Whatever the reason, these non-native snakes are thriving in the warm waters of the Everglades. Anacondas reproduce quickly, and with no natural predators to keep their numbers in check, their population is exploding. The devastating impact. The impact of these invasive predators is chilling. Anacondas are powerful hunters, and their seemingly bottomless appetites are wreaking havoc on the native wildlife. Imagine a raccoon, a wading bird, even a young alligator, all becoming prey for these constrictors. This predation disrupts the delicate food chain of the Everglades, leading to population decline across the board. Species that rely on these smaller animals for food are now struggling to survive. Focus on native wildlife decline. Let's look at some specific examples. The raccoon population, vital for seed dispersal and plant diversity, is plummeting due to anaconda predation. Wading birds like the roseate spoonbill, which rely on fish for food, are facing a decline as the anacondas gobble up these smaller aquatic creatures. The situation is critical, and the future of the Everglades' intricate web of life hangs in the balance. The decline of these smaller prey animals also impacts larger predators like the Florida panther, further disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Are anacondas a threat to humans? While the focus is on protecting the Everglades ecosystem, a common concern is, are these giant snakes a threat to humans? The good news is that adult humans are too large to be typical prey. However, it's still important to maintain a safe distance if you encounter an anaconda in the wild. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to combat the invasive anaconda population. Researchers are exploring trapping programs and innovative methods, like using snake-detecting dogs to locate these elusive creatures. Public education is crucial. Responsible pet ownership and proper disposal of unwanted reptiles are essential to prevent future introductions. Eradicating an established invasive species is a complex challenge, but with dedicated efforts, we can turn the tide. The Everglades is a national treasure, and its fate depends on our collective action. Supporting organizations working on anaconda removal and protecting native species is vital. These groups are on the front lines, developing innovative solutions and tirelessly working to restore balance to the ecosystem. Advocating for responsible environmental policies that protect wetlands and prevent the introduction of invasive species can make a difference. The fight to protect the Everglades from invasive species is ongoing. By working together, we can ensure this vibrant ecosystem survives for generations to come. Let us know in the comments below what surprised you most about the invasive anaconda problem. Until next time, stay curious and be a champion for our environment.